Hi friends, this video shows how to check software version. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings. Select a settings icon from top right corner. Go to device preferences. Select about. Under about, here we can see the version. So right now I am using Android TV OS version 10. That is the meaning of this version 10. So I am going to update this. Select a system update. Now it's checking for update. Please wait. Okay, done. It shows new update available. You can see the version of this new update, Android TV OS version 12.1.1. Size of the update is 762 MB. Here you can see one download button. Select that button. That way we can download and install this update in this TV. So this way we can check a software version. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.